Oh, long day. I just want to rest. Even for 5 minutes. Watch a show. So. What is? Is it a boy? 4 days to Christmas. How this now? Why my phone can ring off like Atlanta? I wish she has to know. Link up later. Link up later. Link up later. Here we go. Rest done. Link up no free. Whoa. Where will I go this now? Taxi. Drink. Maybe piece of jerk chicken when the night done. Choose wisely. Me deserve a little break still, you know. I miss feeling normal. Tired, man. Me tired for the home every day. Me know me not no money, but jeez, I must can step out a little bit. I go try step out a little bit, man. Me no owe nobody no explanation, you know. You no owe nobody no explanation, but pretending still heavy. I go step out just for the night. I go try something. Never like a one dress can wear. But not for overdo it. See how much money I have. Alright. Just don't overspend your piece. I mean, I want to hear it tomorrow.